Hello OBS-GYN residents, I have some questions for you. Now, have you ever felt like this completely overwhelmed with this mountain of information that you have to master? I mean, already struggling and juggling with tiring hospital schedules. Do you feel that you're wasting precious study hours scrambling for reliable resources? Now, we all know that in the field of OBS-GYN, emergencies can erupt in an instant. We have to think fast, we have to act on our feet, and we really have no time to fumble for answers or even get overwhelmed for that matter. So we've designed a way to ensure that we have your back. Introducing PrepLadder's OBS-GYN Residency course, designed with 200 plus video lectures covering basic sciences and obstetrics and gynecology, right from basics to practical approaches as well, clinical case-based scenarios, and the latest advancements in our field in a well-structured manner. Now, challenging though it is to concise all that amount of information in one place when there is actually no limit to the amount of stuff that you can read, I have meticulously crafted each part of the course from standard textbooks like Williams Obstetrics and Berek and Novak's Gynecology, Spiroff's Gynae Endocrinology and Infertility, to name just a few. You can experience our course absolutely free till 15th of May. For more details, see the caption below. I look forward to seeing you soon.